Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Roselyn, 27 years old. I have been working at a poultry farm here in Kumamoto City, Japan for nearly 3 years. The farm specializes in egg production with a daily output of 200,000 eggs from 12 chicken house buildings. Additionally, I had the opportunity to complete a 1-year internship at a poultry farm in Israel from September 2017 to September 2018, during which I earned a certification. I am a passionate, hardworking individual who is always eager to learn and grow. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.